Littelfuse Lipa City is situated in the Lima Technology Center in Lipa City, about 55 miles south of Manila, Philippines. The Lipa City facility was established in 1997 and consists of two adjacently located manufacturing facilities with a combined production area of 129,600 square feet. The facility employs 1,923 associates who produce a wide range of circuit protection devices for the electronics and automotive markets. They operate 24/7 with multiple staggered shifts. Lipa City is non-union and is part of Littelfuse Inc., a publicly traded company headquartered in Chicago, which is the world leader in circuit protection with growing global platforms in power controls and sensing. Globally, Littelfuse has over 12,000 employees in more than 50 locations throughout the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Lipa City started its lean journey in 2003, but really didn't take traction until 2012, when Corporate Global Lean created a structured training and staff development program, which was the start of Lipa City's concentrated lean journey. Many lean tools and methodologies have been implemented and utilized in Lipa City's relentless pursuit to eliminate all forms of waste. Lipa City has 1% of its workforce dedicated to full-time Lean Six Sigma activities. Along the journey, a key milestone was in 2012, when Lipa City started the Lean Small Group Activity Program, which was a way to empower and engage the production associates on the improvement journey. The AME assessment team had the following comments. Without exception, people represented Lipa City as a great place to work, and we saw evidence of a leadership culture that respects people and goes out of its way to recognize and celebrate team members' contributions to the organization. At the heart of the Lipa City operating system is a dedicated, extremely creative and talented core of enthusiastic change agents that are tapped in throughout the organization, from manufacturing, supply chain and distribution, to services, testing, customer service, and maintenance. The Lean Team, or 1%ers as they are known, are homegrown, original, and cutting edge in their creativity and camaraderie. Congratulations to Littelfuse Lipa City, a 2018 recipient of the AME Excellence Award.